Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on smart savings in Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money's smart savings feature has been renamed to the financial goals, right? So we are talking about the financial goals. So if you don't see the smart savings and app, look for the financial goals instead. So existing smart savings plans continue to work as before. Also, guys, now we're going to talk about how to turn on the smart saving, which is the financial goals in this app. So actually, guys, first you will need just to open the Rocket Money app, and then just from the dashboard or your dashboard, you can tap on the savings tab. So actually I can show you the steps. That's because my Capital One bank is blocked right now, so I can't proceed to the dashboard, right? But I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So under the financial goals tab, start saving and choose a savings goals, right, or goal, or select save for something else to create a custom goal, then enter a name and your target savings amount. Then just tap on continue and select smart savings as your savings method. Then choose your savings package or pace, like comfy, moderate, aggressive, and select the checking account to fund your savings, and review then your plan and tap confirm at the end to begin automatic savings. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.